Hello friends, today we are going to see one type of essay of definite integrals. Evaluate upper limit is pi and lower limit is 0, x of x into sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. So the formulas which we are going to use here is sin of pi minus x, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is nothing but sin x only. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Integration of tan x sec x is equal to sec x plus c. In the same way, tan 180 is 0, tan 0 is 1, we know. Sec pi sec 180 is minus 1. Okay. In the same way, 1 by cos is sec theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. The basic formula we all know. Now let's start. So in the first, the technique which we use is, in the place of x we have to write pi by x. We will get the same. X pi minus x sin of pi minus x by 1 plus sin pi minus x is equal to in upper limit pi, lower limit 0 is equal to pi minus x sin x. So how we have to write that? Same, pi minus x, pi sin pi minus theta is sin of 180 minus theta, same, sin x by 1 plus sin 180 minus theta is same, sin x. Okay. Now because the problem is big, I have written some steps before only. Pi of integration of pi, integration upper limit pi and lower limit is 0. Pi into sin x is pi sin x by 1 plus sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x. Just I have distributed separately the integration for pi sin x by denominator minus x sin x by denominator. Yeah, what is the value of this entire? We have to take, let this is equal to I. So I is equal to what? This only. I is equal to what? This only. I is equal to this all. So this entire value is the same, no? Pi, upper limit pi, 0, x, and so this entire value is I. This entire value is I minus I. Minus I, if it goes there, it becomes plus I. I plus I is 2I is equal to, here we have pi, no? Pi is there. Pi is the general number. So pi will get out, pi by 2. Now what will get here? Sin x. Pi of integration of sin x pi 0, and this pi will get outside. So plus 1 minus 1 we can write 1 plus sin x minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 plus sin x minus 1 we have wrote aside. Why we have wrote? In order to get what? 1 by sin x up. Yeah, so pi 2 comes here. What will become? Pi by 2. Pi 2, just we are separating 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Right? Just we are separating, minus integration pi 2, 1 is there only, minus we have taken 1 by 1 plus sin x. Right? This ones are 1. So integrate pi by 2 integration pi, upper limit pi, lower limit 0, 1 into dx minus pi 2, 0, 1 by 1 plus sin x. Right? Now what we must do? Just we have to take the what differentiation should be removed. Pi by 2. Integration of 1 is what? Constant is x. So we have removed integration. Upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0. Minus this what we should do? That same we have to keep in that way only. Pi by 2, just we are multiplying, no? Inside also. Integration pi 0, 1 by 1 plus sin x. Just what we are doing? Multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b. Formula what? a square minus b square in order to get this formula 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Yeah, what we have got here? Upper limit pi minus 0. Pi minus 0. What will get? Pi by 2 into pi minus 0 is pi only. Minus pi by 2 1 by sin x. What will get here? See, pi by 2 integration we have not taken. 1 minus sin x by 1 plus 1 a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square x. Minus, it is not plus, 1 minus sin square x. We know formula. What the formula was there? Sin square theta minus cos plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. What we are doing, just we are sending this minus sin square theta is equal to there 1 minus. So in the place of 1 minus sin square theta, we can write 1 cos square theta, and just we are making it separately. Integration of this minus sin of x by cos square x, pi 2, pi 0, no 0. So pi into pi is pi square by 2 minus pi by 2, just we have separated. Pi square by 2 minus pi by 2, 1 by cos square x is what? Sec square x, integration we not removed, minus sin into cos theta by cos theta. Sin by cos theta is what? Tan theta. Again one cos theta is there. 1 by cos theta is sec theta. See, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Understood? Cos into cos, cos square. Sin by cos square. That only we have got. In the place of theta we have to write x, no? Yeah, this we have got. Now we are separating. Integration of sec square theta, what is the formula? What is the answer? Integration of sec square theta. Pi by 2 integration of pi 0 sec square x minus, just we are separating, no? Integration pi 0 tan x sec x dx dx, and here what is there? Pi square by 2 minus this. Yeah, integration of sec square x is what? Tan x, upper limit lower limit, minus integration of tan x sec x is sec x, right? So is equal to pi square by 2 minus pi by 2. What the value is there? Tan pi minus tan 0, right? Minus sec pi minus sec 0. What is the value of sec 0 and what is the value of tan pi? 0. What is the value of tan pi? 0, and that also 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and here is the 1, and here is 0, and this also 0 values are. So 0 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1. Pi square by 2 minus pi by 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, right? So pi square by 2 minus 2 pi by 2. 2 get cancelled. What will get? Pi square by 2 minus pi. Just take pi common. Pi minus 1 by 2. Right? This is the answer for entire question. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.